Now, CBS 4 weather with Chief Meteorologist Craig Setzer.
Well, still talking about that heat in the west. These are some of the high temperatures today. Interior parts of Washington around the upper 80s, 90s through much of the Intermountain West, 94 in Salt Lake City, and upper 90s once again in Denver, 97 in Albuquerque. The heat bubble that is over here is going to actually expand, and temperatures could be above 110 degrees through parts of Oregon and Washington, away from the coast by later in the weekend and next weekend. An extreme heat watch, talking about an advisory, right? Heat watch is in effect for these areas of the Northwest because temperatures are just going to get hotter and hotter going forward. We're capped out at our heat. I think we're warm enough. We also have the humidity. And tonight on our Rusty Pelican camera, looking much better. No lightning out there, so that's good. The lightning is off to the east, not over the mainland. 81 in Miami, 79 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 82 in Key West. Sticking at scales is 7, but it doesn't feel quite as oppressive as it did this time last night. 86 is what it feels like. Northeast breeze at 8, and nearly 3/4 of an inch of rain coming in MIA today from those afternoon thunderstorms that kind of parked right over the airport. Here's the radar right now, and you can see a lot of lightning with the big thunderstorms just to our east. Also some big thunderstorms in the Tampa Bay area right now. That is about it, and because we have thunderstorms to our east and our west, it's kind of using up some of the energy in the atmosphere over the mainland. So we're quiet. We may see a few showers overnight tonight, but I think we're looking good. And tomorrow morning's commute, I think, is looking pretty good right now. Maybe a shower here or there, but as we start to heat up during the day tomorrow, I think the thunderstorm activity will increase. Keys right now are quiet as well, though a few showers approaching the upper Keys. Highs today in the low 90s, definitely warm. Feels like temperatures only in the low to mid 80s. I say only low to mid 80s because typically this time of year, this time of night, and this type of humidity, it's low to mid 90s at the 11 o'clock hour. The moisture for the heavy downpours is in place. It's just depending on where it's going to squeeze out is where we're going to see the heaviest rainfall. That's Thursday. And then as we go into the weekend, a little more of an easterly breeze picks up. That's good because that will focus our activity mainly on nighttime and morning storms here on the East Coast. Then the activity in the afternoon goes on the West Coast. A couple of things we're watching in the tropics. This is that little tropical wave. It's looking very healthy tonight, but you can see the high clouds being pulled away. It is very close to wind shear, so the overall development potential is low there. We're also watching this system out here. Development's possible by next week. Pretty early in the season to be watching something that far east in the Atlantic. Not a good sign. For us tonight, spotty showers, but not too big of a deal. Warm and humid, a low near 78. Tomorrow, look for sun at times and storms around, possible just about any time during the day. Don't be surprised if you get rained on at some point in the day, high near 88. On the water, wind southeast at 10, seas 2 feet or less, a light chop on the base. Taking us through the rest of the weekend A couple more kind of stormy days, and then the weekend is looking a little less stormy. Back to you.